Hi, Hot Wheel lovers. Just got back to the house. Have a bag of Target goodies. Get out and show them to y'all. Oh. Let's see what we got from Target today. Do a little pig hunting at Target. First up, we got a Solero GT, new for 2023. And next, got a '89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. And next, we got one of those Lucid Airs. I think they're supposed to be a pretty fast electric car, is what I heard. Supposed to be pretty bad, but the Lucid Air. And next we got a Porsche Panorama Turbo SC Hybrid Sport Turismo. From the Green Speed. And we got a Renault Sport RS01. Pretty sporty looking little car. With that big old spoiler wing on the back. Then we got one of my favorites, 71 Plymouth GTX from the Muscle Mania. Looks like it's got the big 440 in it. And new for 2023, got one of the new Ford F-150 Lightning Customs. One of the new Lightnings. Ain't a bad looking truck. HW Hot Trucks. Pretty nice. Like it got some kind of scoop on the top of it. Pretty nice. Got another new for 2023. Little 73 Honda Civic Custom. Little bright green with a black hood. Nicely painted tail lights. Pretty good little detail on the little car. Got another new for 2023. 72 Stingray convertible. Got pretty little painted tail lights on it. And we got a HW Slammed Laying Lowrider. Laying Lowrider. Then we got a Mitsubishi Pajero Revolution or Evolution. Yeah, I'm trying not to throw them up there today. I got in trouble the other day for kind of tossing them up on the tailgate. We got a Subaru WRX STI. Yeah, we got a Brutonator. Brutonator. Looks like a soda pop bottle on it. Soda pop bottle with a rocket. And we got another new for 2023. Bugatti Bolide. Old Bugatti Bolide. Got it in blue. I think there's one in red too. Pretty sweet. And we got a 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Oh, then we got old 82 Cadillac Seville. Got that old slanted back trunk lid on it. I never was really a fan of them. I don't even know when the last time I've seen one. But they're not bad. It's out of the 80s. And then our last one is the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 Liberty Walk. Anyway, that's what I got from a little bit of Target pig hunting today at the Target store. Hope you liked them. Check out my other videos at 1/64 scale racing, please. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.